let's assemble a mini bulldozer. Amazing! First, let's fuel the mini bulldozer. Ready. Let's remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. We need to wash the mini bulldozer. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a covered truck. Let's fuel the covered truck. We did it! Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. Keep up good work. First, let's assemble a film laying machine. We're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the film laying machine. Don't stop. Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows. We need to wash the filming machine. Don't stop. We need to assemble a track with carriage. First, let's fuel the tractor with carriage. That's all. Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. We need to wash the tractor with carriage. Keep it up. Let's assemble a transplanter. That's all. And now we need to fuel the transplanter. Ready. Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. wash the transplanter. That's all. Let's assemble a strawberry trimmer. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. Don't stop. Let's trim the strawberry beds. Let's wash the strawberry trimmer. Hooray! Let's assemble a market truck. You're really great. And now we need to fuel the market truck. Amazing! Let's collect the ripe berries and bring them to farmer's market. We did a great job! The berries have grown are big and sweet. We need to wash market truck. Hooray!